And this is about 5 days later with our Giardiniera. That's been fermenting away. It's all finished now. The bubbles seem to have calmed down. Another good tip is to eliminate all air at the top of your pot. If you place a sandwich bag in and fill that with water, that'll squash out any air that you may have had around the top of your jar. So now we're going to pull this out, and we're just going to add a little bit of vinegar to add a bit of a pickly taste. So I've now taken the vegetables out from our fermentation jar. I'm going to keep the brine because we're going to use that later to just top up if we need any more liquid. We're now just going to add the pickled element. Pickle is just vinegar and sugar, or vinegar, water and sugar. So I'm going to go in with about 50 grams of sugar. 50 grams sugar. Right across. Next thing you need is some cider vinegar. I'm going to go in with, I'd say 75, 80. Let's go with 80 grams, milliliters of cider vinegar. Use any vinegar you want, but I might suggest not using something like balsamic because that'll turn your liquid a very dark brown, something like a very attractive colour. So that going there. It's gonna just work that around a little bit, mix it all together. Already you can smell that freshness that comes out of like that nice pickle flavour. And the next thing we have to do is just take a jar, stuff your jar with your vegetables, and then just top the brine up. Don't go right to the top. You don't want the liquid really like going in and around the lid. And I'm probably going to put a bit of grease-proof paper on the top as well, just for a bit of separation, because these pots have metal lids and you don't really want these liquids coming into contact with a metal lid. So I'm just going to fill that to the top and then cap it off. So here we've got our leftover brine that we kept for this purpose. I've got 4 pots here, any that are looking a bit low. Just going to top them up. Just above the top. I might give like a little boost to these because a few bits poking out. And there you go. These old jars that I've actually kept from the supermarket, and I tend to buy everything in glass jars where possible. For this very reason, you can keep them, you can use them for things like this. These ones I find are actually fine. They don't tend to stick, but the expensive ones that I bought, I actually need to protect that lid a little bit to stop rust from forming. So I'll just screw that down. There we are. And just keep an eye on them. The fermentation should be finished, but there is a chance that it might fizz a little bit. So just maybe give it a twist over the next couple of days to make sure that you're not getting any pressure build up in your condiment. And there you go. That's Giardiniera.